So Paras Defense is one of the most innovative, creative, futuristic and promising business right now, and there is no debate about this. And in the recent times it has also given a massive rally, but currently it is in consolidation phase. So what is the update regarding Paras Defense and space technologies? It has been showing choppy price action for past few months. So in today's video I am going to simplify the big picture of Paras Defense Technology, which will help you to understand where it is heading, if it is a good investment right now or not, and if you are already invested, if you should hold, buy more or sell. Everything you will get an idea after this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Just remember that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational video to help you make better trading and investment decisions, right? So with that said, let me take you to the screen and we'll get started immediately. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Paras Defense and Space Technologies, and when we zoom out we can see the choppy price action. It was listed right after COVID, after 1.5 years of COVID crash. So it was listed in September and you can see it was listed in the price of around 230, but then rapidly it went up to 620, then came down again to the same 200 level, then again went to 796, which is almost 800, again came to 400, then again went to 978, now it is here to at 614. So very choppy price action, no doubt about it, but when we zoom out we get to see the bigger picture, which simplifies things a lot. So in today's video I'm going to do exactly that. So first of all, we are getting to see a big rally from this point 405, so 400 almost to 978, let's say 1000. Okay, some from 400 to 1000. So in during this rally it has created, this space that it has created. This is going to help us draw the fib retracement. So I'm going to simplify things by drawing the fib retracement, and here it is. So we have used the high and low as the touch points, and what do we see? So we can see that the current trading price, which is 765, okay, at the time of recording, is close to the 50% retracement, which is 688. Okay, and as soon as it touches the 688 level, it is bouncing from here. But this level is crucial than it looks right now. Why is that? You will get to know in a second. When I enable the 50 EMA, the 50 period EMA, it's a weekly chart, so 50 weeks EMA, and this is the 151, this is the 50 weeks EMA. You can see the 50 weeks EMA was trying to give it support, but here it failed. The closing was below the the 50 weeks EMA. I know it is looking little bit clumsy, so let me hide the drawing, the fib retracement. Okay, now you can see the closing was below the 50 weeks EMA here in August, 4th August 2025. This is the weekly chart. So in that week it was closed below the 50 week EMA, so it failed. Again it went up and again it came down. Now you can see this candle, this red candle has a wick, and this wick is actually touching the 50 period EMA, and the closing is way above the 50 week EMA, and the following week we get to see a big green candle. Okay, so let's check the volume of this candle. So it's a good volume. It is last week's candle and you can see it has very good volume. So what does this tell us? This clearly tells us that the stock is using the 50 weeks EMA as its support, and not only that, it is also using the 50% retracement as its support. Again enabling the retracement, you can see that the 50% retracement, which is 688, is here, and here you can see the stocks trying to show strength. But does that mean that the trend will continue from this point? Well, it has some time. That is all I can say. We might get to see little bit of price action, the stock going up little bit above the 800 mark, again coming down and touching this 700 720 level, and then starting to go up again, and by that time you will get to see that it has the support of the 30 weeks EMA as well. Currently 30 weeks EMA is the stock is closing below 30 weeks EMA, so no support from there, and 10 weeks EMA obviously it is closing below that. So whenever we get to see, I am going to give you a simple formula. Okay, we are getting to see the strength of a 50 EMA. Now when we get to see a crossover of 10 EMA above the 30 EMA. Let's say this is the 31, okay, and this one is the 10th 10 EMA. Whenever we get to see a crossover and the stock closing above the 10 weeks EMA, then we get to know that yes, the strength has there is enough strength in the stock to go upward. So here you can see the, again I'm hiding the fib retracement, and also let me hide the 50 weeks, as we know it is the support. So here we can see one red line, or you can say orange line, and one black line, and currently there is no cross over. Okay, here there is one cross below, okay, but next you have to wait for the cross above. When this black line, this black line will cross above this red line, okay, like this, and the stock closing is above that, then you will get to know that yes, the trend has begun, and that will be a good time for entry. For now, keep the stock in your watch list and track its price action for the upcoming weeks. Now enabling the 50 weeks EMA again to remind you that it is providing support, and in coming weeks we might get to see the beginning of a trend, and this is a very good stock. I have already done the complete analysis of this stock previously, and if you have not watched that video, I will share the link in the description section and you will get to know about it. Okay, so the bottom line is that it is trying to build strength, okay, it is accumulating strength, and in coming days it might be successful and we might get to see the beginning of a trend. So until that time, keep the stock in your watch list, wait for the crossover, wait for the stock to close above 10 weeks EMA or 50 days EMA. Okay, both are the same thing. Wait for the stock to start closing above that, at least 1 to 2 days it should close above that. I mean, the wick can touch the 50 EMA, okay, 50 days EMA, but not the entire body. Okay, the closing should be above that. So that is a criteria. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse and share it with other people. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord and ask your queries. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.